Hello and welcome to Prudent News. Now a look at the headlines. Goa government knows about BRICS summit through media, hasn't received any intimation from centre. Will be held in some of the hotels in Goa, CM tells Prudent. High Court clears decks for Defence Expo. CM says event will happen on scheduled dates. Plans of making Expo site a permanent exhibition point. It's Holi. Colours will fly high on Thursday. Traditional Romta will reverberate the festival of colours. Majority of people prefer eco-friendly colours. Ugly spat between North Goa tourist taxi owners and rent-a-cab drivers in Kalangut. Stop rent-a-cab or face agitation. Association threatens government. And midday meal problem at government primary school at Sankli. 17 students and a teacher admitted and later discharged. FDA investigation the matter. Now the news in detail. BRICS Summit 2016 will be held in Goa and Goa government has learnt it through media. Goa government has not received any official intimation about BRICS from the centre. Media had highlighted that Union government has declared Goa as venue for BRICS 2016. Even CM had no idea about it. Government will pull up socks once official communication over BRICS is received. Watch report.
BRICS Summit comprising of 5 nations will be hosted in Goa this year. Union Minister for External Affairs Sushma Swaraj declared it on Tuesday. BRICS Summit will be held in Goa from 15 to 16 October. But Goa government has no intimation regarding BRICS Summit from the centre till now. Important departments like Home and Protocol are unaware about BRICS and has no intimation about the event from centre till Wednesday evening. BRICS Summit will be attended by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Presidents of Russia, Brazil, China and South Africa. Summit will require world-class and high-tech infrastructure and logistics. Roads, power and water supply will have to be 100% perfect. VVIP, security and traffic arrangements will have to be thoroughly professional. Chief Minister was once again questioned about BRICS on Wednesday. He said that it will be held in one of the hotels.
North Goa, South Goa. No, ठरतले. तेका लागून के डेव्हलपमेंट जातली न्ही डेव्हलपमेंट जातली आनी त्याच्या पेक्षा अन्य राष्ट्रांचे प्रमुख हांगा येतले त्याच्या बरोबर ऑफिसर्स येतात सीईओज येतात त्याचा फायदो मोठ्या प्रमाणावर जाता स्थान ठरलेलें ना साधारणपणे ते हॉटेलांनी असतले खंयतरी 5 स्टार हॉटेल्स असतली 5 स्टार 7 स्टार हॉटेल.
Senior reporter Lokik Shilkar with Shyam Sundar Fatte for Prudent.
Government is contemplating Defence Expo site at Betul to be a permanent venue for various exhibitions. Chief Minister Lakshmikant Parsekar spoke to media while inspecting the Expo site on Wednesday. Defence Expo will be held as per the schedule from 28th to 31st March. High Court has rejected interim relief to Orisht Porzezo Awaz. The Expo work is almost complete. Court has considered government statement that the Expo is in the national interest. The hearing is scheduled on Wednesday next week.
Chief Minister Lakshmikant Parsekar with other MLAs and ministers inspected the Defence Expo site on Wednesday at Betul. Government is contemplating Defence Expo site at Betul a permanent venue for exhibitions.
Defence Expo खातीर ही 4 दिसां खातीर हो इव्हेंट म्हटला पूण आज म्हज्या बरोबर आमदार आसात ते म्हाका सांगूंक लागले सर इतले बरे खास करून फेन्सिंग घाला भायल्यान आयडीसीची जागा आसा त्यामुळे सगळें डिस्ट्रॉय करचें न्हय आनी सरकार ह्या जाग्याचेर एक कायमस्वरुपी इव्हेंट करपा खातीर हो स्पॉट जावचो काय कितें इव्हेंट्सा खातीर एखादें डेस्टिनेशन एक जर जाता आसत आनी गोव्यांक हेचो 4 दिसां खातीरच न्हय फुडल्याय काळा खातीर ह्या जागेचो कशा पद्दतीन आमी वापर करूं शकता हेची गोंयकारांनी आनी गोंयचे विचार करणारी मंडळी जी आसा योजना करणारे आसात ह्या मंडळींनी विचार करता.
Meanwhile, the High Court heard Arish Parjetsa Awaz's plea against Defence Expo. The site of the expo is all set to host the exhibition at Betul. 44 nations will participate in this event. Advocate General argued before the court that the expo site and the preparations are done and ready for the event. Expo is in the national interest. Advocate General also rubbished the claim of Arish Parjetsa Awaz about permanent airstrip in the village. The land will be returned to the government in its original form after the Defence Expo. AG also appealed before the High Court not to entertain such petitions when the event is just 4 days away. He informed the court that Expo was explained in detail to the petitioners through a PowerPoint presentation. Arish Parjetsa Awaz contended before the High Court that the presentation by Deputy Collector did not provide details about the Expo. They have sought time to reply to the government's argument. It's clear that the Defence Expo will be held as per the schedule, that is from 28 to 31st of March. High Court has allowed the petitioner's reply to the government's argument. Hearing will be held on 30th of March. Mukesh Kumar with Savio Dials for Prudent.
It's Holi Day on Thursday. Colors, pichkaris and lots more. Market is flooded with all the new stuff. There are a variety of colors in the market, but many prefer eco-friendly colors. Suryakant Gaonkar from Sattari has prepared his own eco-friendly Holi colors. Sattari began Chigmore with nature. Here's a special report on Holi. Suryakant Gaonkar from Sattari has started preparing his own Holi colors, fearing chemical-based colors in the market. He uses natural flowers and seeds to get the eco-friendly colors ready for Holi. He shares this color with the closed ones.
ती टॅल्कम पावडर जी धव्या कलरची असता ती फातरापासून तयार केली वयता आणि त्याच्यापासूनच ती पावडर तयार करून मार्केटात वापरलो वयता. आम्ही तिथून वेगवेगळे जंगलांचे बी मेळटा, फुलां मेळटा, हो प्रयोग तत्वाचेर हांवें तो तयार करपाक पळयले आणि तितूनच्यान जे म्हाका कलर बरे दिसता तेच कलर हांव सध्या तयार करता आणि माझे फ्रेंड आसा त्या फ्रेंडांक ते कलर दिता. जी फुलां सुकल्या उपरांत जो कलर त्या फुलांचेर येता तो कलर रंगान येता. वर्साक साधारण 20 किलो पर्यंत तरी आसता कलर करता.
He recommends these colors over chemical colors sold in the market.
आम्ही जे आता बाजारात हे केमिकलचे रंग येतात ते भडक रंगाचे असतात आणि हे लाईट असल्या कारणान लोकांक आवडना. ही एक वाईट गोष्ट. ते केमिकलाचे रंग असल्या कारणान जेन्ना आमी चेहऱ्याचेर पडटा तेन्ना तेका स्क्रॅचेस पडपाचे नाजाल्यार एक खाज सुटपाची शक्यता असता. आणि हे जे रंग आसा हे आमी तोंडान सुद्धा गेले जाल्यार तेजो इफेक्ट जाय. जास्तीत जास्त टाळपाचो प्रयत्न करपाचे आणि भुरग्यापासून तरी पयस दवरचे जे केमिकलचे कलर असतात ते आणि जे ऑर्गेनिक कलर आसा त्यांचो उपयोग करचो.
Sonal Sattari started Holi celebration with traditional rituals.
पहिली आम्ही होळीकडे झाडाकडे वयता देवळा कडसून आणि एक पानाचो इडो सगळे साहित्य उजवाती पहिली पूजा करता इडो दवरून त्याच्या उपरांत मागीर ती हाणटात आणि मागीर तिका मागीर तिची पुजा करता. मागीर ताका सगळे शेण शितोडो करून तिची आता पुजा केल्या तशी पुजा करता गन फूल घालून आणि तिका नेत दाखयता. सगळे मागीर सगळे लोक नाल फोडटा.
Pichkari, balloons and lot more. Market is full. Blue, pink, red, green, purple. This is how Panji market looked on Wednesday.
Herbal colors.
Herbal color. ते म्हणजे या वर्षा नवे कलर आहे. तातून किती हर्बल आहे किती
हर्बलान सगळे व्हेजिटेबल हे असतात प्लांटापासून जाता. त्यातल्यान ते उरत जाल्यार तुका वेस्ट तो उरलेलो वेस्ट कित्याक ते स्किनींग लायता न्हू सो हो कलर फुडल्या वर्सा विकूंक शकना तूं.
Vishwanath Nene and Devendra Gaonkar for Prudent. It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.